Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to make this simple and easy keychain. I have used here black and white. Today I am going to use blue pearl bead, which is 4mm, and the round one, and it's white long beads. It should be more than 4mm, and a chain for key. Its string is about 90 centimeters. So let's begin. Here I have the two end sides of the string, which is not cut. So if you see the sample here, it looks like a circle in the middle with 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to start with 6 beads. What you have to do now is take your last bead and insert your left side string into the last bead. Just like this. It's really easy and simple, and it's the most important step that you have to learn in beading. And just pull it. There you go. Now you have 6 beads. It's like rounded, and make sure you have tightened it. And the second step will be adding 5 beads. This one. Now I'm gonna add 5 beads. White, blue, white, blue, and white. I have 3 white and 2 blue. So do the same thing what you have done before. Take the last bead and insert your left side string into that last bead. This one will be your second step. For the first step you did 6 beads, second one 5 beads, the third step will be 4 beads. You are going to move to the third step, so that insert your left side string into the blue bead, which is near to the white. And I'm gonna add 4 beads in the right side string. Blue, white, blue, and white. I have 4 beads, 2 blue and 2 white. Do the same thing what you have done before. Take the last bead and insert your left side string into the last bead. This is your third step. For the fourth step also you are going to do the same. For the fourth and fifth you are going to do the same. Insert your left side string into other bead, other blue bead. And the same with third step. Add 4 more beads. Blue, white, blue, white. And do the same. Take your last bead and insert. This is your fourth step. For the fifth and sixth, do the same. have done until 5th and 6th. So now you are going to insert to the last blue and the white near the blue. Insert your left side string. Just like this, it's really easy and simple. Now you have like this. So the last, you are going to add last 3 beads. 1 blue, 1 white, 1 blue. Before you add the blue, add your keychain. Before you add the blue, add your keychain. Blue, white, keychain and blue. For the last I have just 3 beads, and do the same. Take the last bead and insert your left side string into the last bead. And there you go, it's almost finished. And do the last thing, that bring the 2 sides of the string together in one place to give a knot, so that it will be very strong. So I am bringing to one place, I am bringing 2 strings together. So here I have the 2 string sides together, so I am going to give a knot. Just like this, and make sure you have tightened it very well. And do one thing at the last. Insert your strings to some beads, because if you just cut it off here, maybe it has chance to get off, or it's open, it will be open, so that you just insert to some beads so that it will not open. Just cut it off. And there you go, look at this, it's really simple and easy, very beautiful. You can use for door keys wherever you want. Such an easy and simple. Try it out guys. Thank you for watching, hope you like it. Thank you so much.